Hey everyone, Techne here. We have another Sceptre monitor review. If any of you have seen our $60 monitor, this guy right here that just completely shocked me and blew me away for 60 bucks, I didn't know what Sceptre was. And after this monitor, this company has been on my radar and I just found so many values with them. And what we have here is a Sceptre 25-inch. Now they use some ridiculous model numbers, so give me a second here. This is the model E255B-1658A. Come on, Sceptre, work on your model numbers. But anyways, this guy here is 25-inch. It's a TN panel, 165Hz refresh rate. That's right. 1 millisecond response time, gray to gray. AMD FreeSync. FreeSync range is 60 to 165. And it has the edgeless, borderless frame right there. Wow. Now, the best part about this monitor is the price. The price per specs and features, right? So regular MSRP is $204.99, always on sale for $185, so $184.99, right? So it's constantly always on sale for $185, but right now on Amazon they have 10 bucks off, so you can scoop it up for $175. Like, come on, with these stats, right? For $175, you are not gonna find a deal like that. Maybe around Black Friday, maybe. Again, that's maybe, but again, with these specs for $175, I mean, you're not going to find that. But again, price means nothing if it doesn't perform and if it just looks like a piece of junk, right? So anyways, let's pop it open, take a look at what comes in the box and everything, and then we're going to plug it up and give it a little test-a-rooney, all right? So in your box, they're going to give you a DisplayPort cable, really nice thick one here, actually. You'll get your power cord over here, which just plugs into the back. They're going to give you your manual, and you all know I just love these Sceptre manuals. They're all just colored and just so easy and detailed inside of them. You can't go wrong with these guys. And then, of course, they always give us our screwdriver, and I don't understand it. Like, these expensive monitors give us this real cheesy screwdriver, but in the $60 monitor, they gave us that really nice rubber-coated, big, just solid screwdriver. Just really weird, you know? Now, I just want to point out a few things on the monitor before I bring you in and actually give you just a quick rundown and let you see some of the monitor. It is borderless, like we talked about earlier, but it's not edge to edge, right? You have that little tiny little pinch right on the edge there. Nothing major, but again, you don't have the bezel right there. You just go on the bottom with the logo right there. It is extremely thin, as you can see here. Well, you got the thickness down here, right? With all your power brick and all that stuff in there. But up here with the monitor, super thin, if you can really tell right there. There you go. That's a good shot. Really thin. A very nice style. Over here on the back, again, you have just a little logo right there, some information, and over here are all of your menu buttons, if you can see right here, right on the back right-hand side of the monitor. Down here, as you see where it's standing, you have our stand right there. And the stand this thing's got a little bit of weight to it too, actually. The stand is all metal. The entire thing, inside and out. You got some padded feet on the bottom right there, and it just screws right into the other bracket on the bottom. Oh, like I said, this thing's got a little bit of weight. But again, all the way to the back, it just screws in with 4 screws back there, and it is all metal. Now, on the back, let me bring it in and show you here. You have 2 HDMIs, a DisplayPort, and an audio out. Now, one really weird thing down here on the stand, I doubt you guys can see it here. Maybe when I bring you in for the close-up, you'll be able to see it. But it says 165 Hz right here in like the chrome that was up front on the logo, right there on the stand. So apparently they're really proud that it's 165 Hz. So they're just going to stamp it right on the stand, which is kind of weird to be right there, but it is there. Now, also, this monitor is VESA mountable, as you can see right here on the back right there. It's just right above the stand. And it does also tilt. As you can see, we'll go all the way back here, and then we'll tilt it all the way forward. Again, all the way back, right to there, and then all the way forward. It does not go side to side, and it does not go up and down. As you can see with the stand right back there, again, it's just back and forward, no up and down, and no side to side. Also, there are speakers on this guy that come out right on the back here, and as with pretty much all the monitors, except the $60 one, these speakers are horrible. They are maybe some of the worst I have ever used in a PC monitor, even though pretty much all PC or TV speakers, in my opinion, are garbage. Again, I think the only monitor I've ever used with good internal speakers has been the $60 Sceptre monitor. But again, the speakers in this are absolutely horrible, so don't count on these speakers right here. Definitely have yourself an external speaker or some headphones, which you have the jack in it, which is really cool. All right, so I'm going to bring you in, give you a quick look over on it, and then we're going to plug it up and give it an actual test and see if it actually performs. Alright, now let's go plug it up and see if it actually lives up to these stats. Which you have a quick start right here, which you can adjust your presets, whether it be, let's see here, different game modes, FPS, you got eco, movie and stuff, or user, where then you can adjust everything right out of fly right there. Sorry the camera's not really picking this up right here. It's kind of hard to focus on, again, with the monitor and then the letters right there. But you also have blue light shift right here, and you can adjust your FreeSync right in the quick start. So pretty much all you really honestly need is the quick start. You really don't have to worry about going in to the, let me put that back on, where were we? Standard. There we go. You really don't have to worry about any of the other menus, because then you get down here into picture, and it's the same things, your brightness, you can get into your colors, you know, sharpness and stuff like that. So really nothing necessarily needed there. Again, we go into colors, where you can adjust all your colors if you're in user, your gamma, tint, and again, blue light again. So again, as you notice, and all you really need is the quick start. You get down into the system, you got overdrive, you have FreeSync, and then some of your display timer and stuff like that. So again, as I said before, all you really need is the quick start right there. This is a good shot right here, which I really want to kind of show you. As you can see, we have the little fog or smoke coming out of the ground right there, and then we got the greens and the reds and the reflection off the leaves and everything. Again, I'm not too sure how well you guys can really decipher all that on camera, but right here, while I'm looking at it, the greens pop. The reds are vibrant. I mean, the fog and everything, and the reflection up there, the blacks are dark. Everything is perfect, and I'm talking, it is smooth. I don't see any pixels or this, that, and the other. I'm telling you, it is perfectly smooth. Now, I kept that gameplay preview real short and sweet because, honestly, I've reviewed a bunch of monitors, as some of you have known, right? But when you guys are looking through the camera again onto the monitor, you guys are going to see something completely different of me, from the frame rate, from a camera to this, yada yada, like I said before, you know what I mean? So I just wanted to keep it brief, just give you a quick sample of it, and then kind of explain to you what I've seen. I played a bunch of games on the Sky, from Shadow Mordor, some Assassin's Creed, some Battlefield, some Apex, and of course, tons of The Division. I just can't stop playing that game. And let me tell you what, across all of them, wow, I mean, it looked so good. But now seriously, at this price, the $175, I still think it's worth it at the $185. You get into that $209 price range, I think your options kind of, you know, spread out a bit more. Again, I couldn't really tell a big difference from $144 to $165. So, like, again, when you get into that $200, $210, whatever the regular MSRP is on this thing, I think your options kind of open up a little bit more. But again, at that $175 currently, I mean, I think it's a steal. For the specs, I honestly do not think you're going to find something better anywhere. But hey, let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this monitor here? This brand Sceptre is it just shocks me every single time. Yeah, we had the one dud, but again, I kind of put that more towards the curved monitor. You know, y'all know how I feel about curved monitors. If not, go on and check the video about why I hate curved monitors. Well, I just spoiled it right there, didn't I? But seriously, please do let me know in the comments what you think about this monitor. I think it's a total bang for your buck right here. But hey, thank you so much for watching this one. If you liked it, hit that thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for some future tech videos. Hey, I hope I catch you in the next one. Bye now.